Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Scientific miracles, oceans and animal. Composition and origin of water. Water's unique properties, including a high boiling point due to its molecular structure of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms, are essential for life and should be valued by living beings. What is inside the atom? So, dear students, we'll talk about 5070 O-level chemistry. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel. What is inside the atom? Atom contains a nucleus center with proton and neutron. They are packed together to strong nuclear forces. The electron cloud around the nucleus containing the same number of electrons as proton lacks charge and has different shapes based on the number of electrons. Inside of oxygen atom, you can see the center part containing neutron and proton, and the electrons are present in the shells. 2 in the first shell and 6 in the other shell. So we can say that 8. Inside of neon, you can see the central part is proton and neutron, and there are two shells, shell 1 and shell 2. The shell A1 is containing 2 electrons, and the shell second will contain the 8 electron. So dear students, we'll talk about the properties of subatomic particles. Proton, its symbol is P, relative mass is 1 and relative charge is +1. Neutron, indicating symbol small n, relative mass is 1 and relative charge 0. Electron, E or E having a negative charge, 1/1836 is equal to 0.005, almost 0, which is equal to relative charge is -1. Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.